Chris again here at Young's. Today we're going to talk about this 2001 FLHR CI, otherwise known as the Road King Custom fuel injected model. You can see the loaded chrome all over this, freshly polished fork legs, chrome everywhere. Stage 1 air cleaner upgrade with the Screaming Eagle cover. Nice simple black pin with the pinstriping, which is beautiful because everything aftermarket comes in gloss black. She's got the leather touring package with the wicker stitch matching on the seat and saddle bags, and that nice plush backrest for your passenger. Samson style slip-on exhaust pipes on both sides, both active pipes, no falsie. And just more and more chrome. Let's see what she sounds like.